So I have actually got some very practical knowledges which are necessary for this course, not just the theory. And yeah, I would definitely recommend. It's just go and grab the opportunity, because I don't think so anywhere else this kind of teaching or training is available.
Certified Digital Content Writing course is a very detailed and well-researched program.
The content is very well researched, I would say.
This course is helping me a lot, and in fact I have applied few strategies in last week, and I really got some phenomenal results.
Really learned a lot of things. The coordinator was also good, and the course content that you've designed is really good, explanatory.
This is the most advanced content writing course available today on the web. We do it via both classroom and online media. This course helps you in gaining skill set in 30 plus content types. Whether you are a digital marketer, whether you are a student, whether you are an IT professional, whether you head the company, whether you own the company, whether you are a housewife, whether you are a retired professional, and whether you are someone who wants to start a freelancing career, this is the right course for you. In this course, we have total 6 modules. The first 2 modules are like the raw materials to the course. The first module talks about the language specifications. Yes, these are the specifications in which the content writers talk internally or talk to their clients, the language part of it. Second module talks about the internet skills. In today's time, a content writer can write on any topic. How is that possible? Only and only if you have good research skills, good internet skills. And this is huge topic to talk about. The module 3 and module 4 talks about the 30 plus content types. Yes, 30 plus content types. We not only cover the business content type, social content types, personal content types, but there are more than 30 content types which we are helping you in gaining skill set in. The 5th module talks about content strategy, how you can effectively make sure you reach the right audience with the right content, and in turn meet your goals and objectives. And module 6 talks about how you can earn online effectively out of your content writing skills. Yes, we teach you how you can monetize your learnings. After the course, we do not hold you back. We give you placement support, we give you internship support, and we also make sure you are able to implement your learnings. That's the kind of support we give to you. In addition, you get access to Henry Harvin Education's unique learning management system, wherein you get recorded videos of the sessions, you get abundant content which you can use to effectively create fresh content. If I talk about the trainers, they are highly qualified trainers, highly experienced, and they are trained to make sure you are able to meet your objectives. They make sure they're able to share their experiences with you, share their failures with you, so that you do not repeat the same set of mistakes.
Because this course offers you more than the course material, it's really great. You should definitely go for it.
She is giving a very interesting assignment which is very beneficial for our knowledge, and this course I really think so it will boom my career.
So friends, if you want to have the hallmark of CDCW, Certified Digital Content Writer, next to your name, you should immediately think about taking the next class coming soon.